After my second baby, my body felt different. I wasn't just tired, I was anxious. My sleep was off, and I felt like I was doing everything right, but still something was not right and I wasn't seeing progress. That's when I realized postpartum fitness isn't about going harder, it's about going smarter. And today, I want to share exactly how I started my journey again from scratch. Hi, I am Harman, a mom of two, postpartum fitness creator, and someone who's been exactly where you are. This video isn't about a perfect routine. It's about baby steps that help me rebuild my energy, lower my cortisol, and prepare my body to get back into strength training safely and sustainably. When my little one was small, I couldn't even imagine going to the gym. Most days, I barely managed a shower, but I know I needed to start somewhere. So instead of chasing long workouts, I focused on small movements that help my body recover from the inside out. Every 10 minutes of mindful movement started to shift things: my mood, my posture, my energy. The first thing I worked on was how I woke up. Postpartum, your cortisol levels, your stress hormones are already high. If you wake up rushing, scrolling, or skipping breakfast, it just spikes higher. That's why I started with slow breathing, mobility, and hydration. These three things changed my mornings completely. These movements lower cortisol, calm your nervous system, and actually put your body back into a fat-burning recovery mode. Here are a few exercises that I did regularly to reduce stress, improve my sleep, and rebuild my strength from the core. Deep core breathing, pelvic tilts and glute bridges, wall slides for posture, seated marching for blood flow, short stroller walks for gentle cardio. None of these require equipments. You can do them with your baby close by or even while they nap. There were days my baby just wouldn't sleep. And that's okay. I started doing small workouts holding her close. Gentle squats, standing marches, or side steps. These movements didn't just help me stay active, they helped me bond with her. You don't need fancy gear, you just need commitment and grace. The goal is not to push harder, it is to keep showing up every day in small ways. One more thing that changed my journey: hydration and balanced meals. Postpartum bodies are healing. You are rebuilding hormones, tissue, energy. So I made sure to drink enough water and eat real nourishing food. Not diet food, because you can't heal in a deficit. If there's one message I want to leave you with, it's this: you don't need to be perfect to start. You just need to show up. These baby steps, consistency, breath, and movement, they prepare your body for the next stage, for strength training and rebuilding yourself fully. And if you're ready to take the next step to rebuild strength the right way, my husband, who is also a certified coach, he designs safe, customized postpartum training programs. I will leave his details in the caption below so that you can contact him directly. But for now, remember, it all starts here, with small, consistent steps. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and share it with someone who might need to hear this today. Because together, we are not just getting fit, we are healing one day at a time.